Hi, my name's Alex and this is a Rotary tool. These are compact and lightweight, making them easy to use in hard to reach places. They come in two versions, which is corded or cordless. So you can tackle your indoor and outdoor DIY projects with just one tool. What's not to love? The Rotary tool has all the versatility you need with a variety of accessories used for different purposes. For example, we have grinding discs, sanding drums, cutting blades, grinding stone, or buffing pads. Now that you've chosen which application is right for you, it's time to insert the correct accessory into the tool by holding the release button, inserting the accessory into the collet, and securing it tightly. In some cases, you might need to use a wrench to secure the accessory to the tool. Just follow the instruction manual that comes with your tool to set the correct speed for the accessory. There's a lot of ways you can use this tool, but it's best to maintain control so you don't cause any damage to the accessories or the tool or the surface you're working on, because you don't want any scratches or grooves. Now that you know how to set up and the movements of the tool, it's time to begin using it, but not before you put on your safety equipment. To clean the tool, just remove the accessory and just use a cloth to remove the dust. There are other accessories available, such as the circle cutter, plunge router, and the accessories kit, which makes this tool a great addition to your toolkit. And there you have it, the steps to set up and use your Rotary tool. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.